This is what happens when Italian engineers drink too much espresso, lock themselves in a shed and say, let's build something that looks like it escaped from hell. The Diablo SV is what happens when the Italians decide that subtlety is for cowards. SV stands for Super Veloce, which in Lamborghini speak means, we took the already terrifying Diablo and made it even more unhinged. Let's start with the engine. A 5.7-litre, naturally aspirated V12, mounted just inches behind your head, producing 510 horsepower in 1995. That's 510 horsepower going directly to the rear wheels. No traction control, no stability systems, just you, your right foot, and the very real possibility of being launched into low Earth orbit. It has a 0 to 60 of around 4 seconds, but that's assuming you can get traction, which you won't, because this thing lights up the rear tires like it's doing a burnout just by existing. It looks like it was designed with a ruler and a bottle of wine. Sharp lines, ridiculous vents, pop-up headlights, and a wing so big it could be used as a table at an Italian wedding. This isn't a car. It's a Batmobile drawn by a 12-year-old on a sugar high. And here's the best part. It had no ABS. Lamborghini looked at this 200-mile-per-hour monster and said, nah, they'll figure it out. But despite all that madness, despite the drama and the terrifying handling at speed, it was glorious because it made you feel something. It wasn't perfect. It didn't care. It was a V12-powered middle finger to logic, comfort, and restraint. The Diablo SV was the last of a dying breed. No electronic nannies, no soft edges, just brute force, rage, and Italian flair turned up to 11. And that makes it one of the coolest cars ever made.